हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माई सेल्फ हितेश भगनानी। तो आज की मैं इस वीडियो में आपको बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स का पार्ट 4 जो कि सेट 2 है, उसके एमसीक्यूज में इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चन आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ, जिसका एग्जाम कल सुबह को 11 बजे होने वाला है। इससे पहले मैंने आपको बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स के 3 पार्ट जो है वो मैंने अपलोड कर दिए हैं एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चन के। आप प्लीज उसे देख सकते हैं और अपनी प्रिपरेशंस को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं मैंने सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग और बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स की पूरी सीरीज डाल रखी है। तो प्लीज आप मेरे चैनल को विजिट करें और इसे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर करें ताकि उनकी भी हेल्प हो जाए। तो आज हम बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स का सेट 2 है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था मेरे पास 2 सेट है, सेट 1 एंड सेट 2। तो हम सेट 2 कवर करने वाले हैं, जिसका फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। Hadoop is a framework that works with a variety of related tools. Common cohort include blank space. So there are 4 options: MapReduce, Hive and HBase, MapReduce, MySQL and Google Apps, MapReduce, Hummer and Liguana, MapReduce, Heroine and Trumpet. So the answer is option number A, MapReduce, Hive and HBase. Because to use Hive with HBase, you will typically want to launch 2 clusters, one to run HBase and the other to run Hive. अगर आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है तो अपना स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले लीजिए फ्यूचर रेफरेंस के लिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, all of the following accurately describe Hadoop except there are blank space. So there are 4 options: open source, real time, Java based and distributed computing approach. So the answer is real time, because Hadoop real time पर वर्क नहीं करता, because Apache Hadoop is an open source software framework for distributed storage and distributed processing of big data on clusters of commodity hardware. Question number 3, blank space can be best described as a programming model used to develop Hadoop based application that can process massive amount of data. So there are 4 options: MapReduce, MapHout, OSIO and all of the mentioned. So the answer is MapReduce, because MapReduce is a programming model and associated implementation for processing and generating large data sets with a parallel distributed algorithm. Question number 4, how many views of a big data have? So the answer is option number D, 5, because there are 5 V's which are variety, velocity, value, volume, etc. Question number 5, in how many forms big data could be found? So there are 4 options: 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is option number B, which is 3, because big data could be found in 3 forms: structured, unstructured and semi-structured. Here you can see the explanation also. Question number 6, what are the main components of big data? So there are 4 options: MapReduce, SDFS, option number C, Yarn, and option number D, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. Question number 7, point out the correct statement. So there are 4 options: Hadoop is an ideal environment for extracting and transforming small volume of data. Hadoop store data in SDFS and support data compression, decompression. Option C, the graph framework is less useful than a MapReduce job to solve graph and machine learning. So there are so answer is option number B, Hadoop store data in SDFS and support data compression and decompression. Here you can see the explanation also and you can take the screenshot also. Question number 8, blank space has the world's largest Hadoop cluster. So there are 4 options: Apple, Datamatics, Facebook and none of the mentioned. So the answer is option number C, Facebook has the world's largest Hadoop cluster. Question number 9, input to the blank space is stored output of the mapper. So there are 4 options: reducer, mapper, shuffle and all of the above. So the answer is reducer is the stored output of the mappers. Question number 10, the output of the blank space is not stored in the MapReduce framework for Hadoop. So there are 4 options: mapper, cascader, escalating and none of the above. So the answer is none of the above. Question number 11, which of the following phases occur simultaneously? Reduce and sort, shuffle and map and all of the above. So the answer is shuffle and sort, option number B. कि मैं इस वीडियो को थोड़ा जल्दी कवर कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज बहुत सारा कंटेंट है और एग्जाम अपना कल ही है इसलिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, मैपर एंड रेड्यूसर implementation can use the blank space to report progress or just indicate that they are alive. So there are 4 options: option number A, partitioner, option number B, output call, output collector and option number C, reporter and all of the above. So the answer is option number C, reporter. Question number 13, blank space is a generalization of the facility provided by the MapReduce framework to collect data output by the mapper or the reducer. So there are 4 options: A, partitioner, B, output collector, C, reporter and all of the above. So the answer is output collector is a generalization of the facility provided by the MapReducer framework to collect data output by the mapper or reducer. Question number 14. Blank space is the primary interface for a user to describe a MapReduce job to the Hadoop framework for execution. So there are 4 options: map parameters, job configure, memory configure, and all of the above. So the answer is option number B, job configure. Question number 15. Blank space serve as the master and there is only one name node per cluster. So there are 4 options: data node, name node, data block, and replication. So the answer is name node, because name node serve as the master and there is only one name node per cluster. Question number 16. SDFS works in a which fashion? So master work, master slave, worker slave, all of the above. So answer is master worker fashion. Question number 17. Blank space name node is used when the primary name node goes down. There are 4 options: rag, data, secondary, none. So the answer is option C, secondary, because secondary name node is used when the primary name node goes down. Question number 18. The need for data replication can arise in various scenarios like replication factor is changed, data node goes down, data blocks get corrupted, and all of the above. So the answer is all of the above options. Question number 19. Blank space is a slave worker node and holds the user data in the form of data blocks. So there are 4 options: data node, name node, data block, and replication. So you can find the answer in question also. The answer is data node. Question number 20. SDFS provide a command line interface called blank space used to interact with SDFS. So there are 4 options: SDFS shell, FS shell, DFS shell, and none. So the answer is FS shell is used to interact with SDFS. Question number 21. SDFS is implemented in which programming language? So the answer is option number B, Java. It uses Java, JPython, Java interfaces also. Question number 22. The MapReduce algorithm contains 2 important tasks, namely MapReduce, mapping reduction, map reduction, and MapReduce. So the answer is option number D, MapReduce, because the MapReduce algorithm contains 2 important tasks, namely map and reduce. Question number 23. Blank space takes a set of data and convert it into another set of data where individual elements are broken down into tuples, key and value pairs. So there are 4 options: map, reduce, both A and B, and option number D is node. So the answer is option A, which is mapping, map, because map takes a set of data and converts it into another set of data where individual elements are broken into tuples. Question number 24. Blank space task which takes the output from a map as an input and combine those data tuples into a smaller set of tuples. So there are 4 options: map, reduce, node, and both A and B. So the answer is reduce function, because reduce function or reduce task which takes the output from a map as an input and combine those data tuples into a smaller set of tuples. Question number 25. The blank space class mimics the behavior of the main class but gives user a static object back. So there are 4 options: pig run, pig runner, runner pig, and none of the above. So the answer is pig runner, because optionally you can call the API with an implementation of progress listener which will be invoked by pig runtime during the execution. Question number 26. In how many stages the MapReduce program executes? So there are 4 options: 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is option number B. In 3 stages a MapReduce program executes, because MapReduce program executes in 3 stages, namely map stage, shuffle stage, and reduce stage. Which of the following is used for an execution for a mapper or a reducer on a slice of data? Task, job, mapper, and payload. So the answer is option number A, task, because an execution of a mapper or a reducer on a slice of data. Point out the correct statement. Option A. MapReduce tries to place the data and the compute as close as possible. Map task in MapReduce is performed using the mapper function. Option C. Reduce task in MapReduce is performed using the map function, and option D, none of the above. So the answer is option number A. MapReduce tries to place the data and the compute as close as possible, because this feature of MapReduce is data locality. Question number 29. The number of the maps is usually driven by the total size of inputs, outputs, task, and none of the above. So the answer is option number A. The number of the map is usually driven by the total size of inputs, because total size of inputs means the total number of blocks of the input files. Question number 30. A blank space node acts as a slave and is responsible for executing a task assigned to it by the job tracker. So there are 4 options: MapReduce, mapper, task tracker, and job tracker. So the answer is option number C, which is task tracker, because task tracker receive the information necessary for the execution of a task from the job tracker and execute the task and send the result back to the job tracker. So हम अपनी इस वीडियो में 30 क्वेश्चन ही कवर करेंगे. बाकी के क्वेश्चन जो है वो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करने जा रहा हूँ, जो मैं आधे घंटे के अंदर अपलोड कर दूंगा. तो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर ऑल्सो, बिकॉज एक ही रात है, तो अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को इन एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस को शेयर करें. और मुझे बहुत सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स की नीड है, प्लीज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.